Hello guys, Mesh welcomes you on video series Stuffing Box Assembly. In this video series we will create stuffing box parts and make it assemble. All the video and drawing PDF file link is given in below description. First of all we will insert the main body. Go to data panel and insert body to current design. Now, insert bush from data panel. Adjust it and click OK. Now give the slider joint between bush outer surface and body inner surface. Joint motion type will be cylindrical type. Now create enable contact set. Create new joint between body and bush. Now drive the joint and rest the bush on body bottom collar. Insert gland and adjust it. Apply the cylindrical joint between both part surfaces. Apply contact set between bush and gland. Drive the joint. Oh, what happened? Bush come out, because gland push it out. So, we have to apply new contact set between gland and body. Now, drive the joint and rest the gland on bush. Capture the position, because this is position on which component rest in assembly. Insert the stud and adjust. Apply the cylindrical joint between stud and body. And adjust it. Now insert second stud and do same steps. Apply the cylindrical joint between stud and body. And adjust it. Insert the nut. Apply the cylindrical motion between nut and stud. Adjust it. Do same for second nut. Apply the cylindrical motion between nut and stud. Adjust it. Your assembly is ready. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.